the page. So when there is an action, we just call this event on the header of the page. Yeah, that's it. And then for the user ID, you know where there's XXX. So this is where you will add. This is where you will add the parameter user ID. You just replace the XXX.
Okay, I can share my screen and let's actually do here on bounce so that it will be best for us.
One second. Let me just connect because I'm talking to my phone. I'll just connect my laptop too.
Sure.
Oh, you have to let me in the meeting. Can you see my request? Yeah, perfect. Yeah, connect.
Okay.
Yeah. Do you not get like little bits of tea? Like, do you not
Yeah.
Yeah.
Perfect. I'll see your screen.
But it's
Okay, great.
I need to turn down this music.
Sure.
You know what I'm going for? They have a silicone tea bag, which has the bottom open for the little bit.
Okay, so here we can see on this page we can test with this email address. So let me go to edit here and
What is Unbounce?
Unbounce is actually a landing page builder.
Is it? Oh, a landing page builder. Oh,
Yeah.
nice. Okay.
So this the landing page is made by Unbounce.
Oh, I know. So it's quicker to do it via Unbounce.
Yeah, right.
Okay.
So here I see that. So I need to go to sign up page, right? So on this tab.
Yeah.
Actually,
See the sign up page.
huh?
Is a sign up page or successful sign up page? Successful sign up.
Okay, successful sign up. Okay, this one actually. Let me zoom.
Yeah.
It's correct, right? Okay. So this code is need to be implemented with this landing page. So if I do, for example, here is I see.
Well, oh, okay. Okay. So, what do you want to add the page on the? What do you want to add the code on this page? Not on. Okay, so it's the other one. Sorry, because I thought that was for the successful sign up. So it's the other one. Sorry. Sign up page.
Okay, sign up page.
This one. Yeah.
And this need to be copied. Okay. And
all of it. Just all of it.
Copy everything.
Yeah, everything. Yeah. Because this is the data layer coming with this script. Yeah.
Okay. I've already put
perfect.
already here. Okay, let me put
Okay.
again.
Perfect. Yeah.
So place it.
Either. Yeah.
Yeah, place it as head and here.
That's it.
And is everything? That's it.
Yeah, that's it.
Should I use event sign up and here is I see element.
Yeah, you don't have to do anything. It's automatic. You will read. So the way it's working, you know the last line data layer. It will it will read what is in the data layer the first from line 1 to 6. So it will start the event sign up. So it's all good. Yeah. So just to summarize, this script will fire on the sign up page. Yeah. Yeah. Perfect. It's all good.
Okay. So hold on. Let me refresh for nothing messed up here, and let me just put it down and save it. just let me. Okay, now if I test, so for example I test with my mail and then submit. So it's I just push data on this page side up, and but Dan said to me that to put automatic access.
Okay, I don't know about that, but I'm sorry, Mahinur, yeah.
Sorry.
What is? I just want to understand. Where do you want to place the pixel? On a sign up page or after, or on a sign up on a successful sign up?
Actually, Dan said to me that to put, I think they want to get access if someone input their email and then they automatic sign up to this page. But instead of that, okay, I just put email address and I just make them manually typing password here, and then start selling, and then they can create account or user. Okay. But instead of that, Dan said to me that to create automatic login access by putting here start selling by this form.
Okay, so when they click on start selling, so it will be an automatic sign up.
Yeah, that's the correct.
Okay. So do you generate a user ID already at this stage?
Maybe.
If not, so leave it like this then.
I think it's really good if we can create a group call, because Dan exactly can't say me about what they want. I did not get the concept of what need to be done here. But if this code, okay, one thing, can you tell me how this code is working?
So I don't know how to explain that, because the way the code is working, we have the way usually I generate the code, I read the data layer. So in the data layer, for line 1 to 6, I will add all the parameter I want. For example, I add event, or I will add user ID or revenue, and then the script from line 7. This is the main script.
This is the right?
Yeah, this is the main script.
So here I see the.
But you don't need. What do you want to do? I don't understand.
I see here is the ID equal.
No, but you don't do anything here.
Okay.
The script works like this. It works like this. But my question is, are you going to generate a user ID?
I think I need to ask again to Dan, or we can create actually group calling, then it could be best. But in this case we can see if that work or no. How we can understand it?
Because what?
I'm saying how we can understand if this code is working, where we can see if this is working.
So you have to go on the page and click F12, for type table.
Oh, okay, sure.
Click on F12.
Yep, 12. Okay.
Yes, no. Network table. Is that there? Network tab.
Maybe Control F.
No, we call it F12. The network table.
On Mac F12.
On Mac I don't know. So maybe just click on right click and inspect to see.
Sure. Inspect. Done.
And then network.
Okay, network.
Perfect. Yeah, perfect. And then file, and then Refresh the page. Refresh the page.
Okay, sure.
Just perfect. Now type serving in a search.
Search.
Or just type sign up. Sign up. No, search. Not here. Oh yeah, perfect. You see? So this is the tag firing.
Okay, so the event is working. So my another question is, so it's actually automatically collect data from the event.
Yeah.
Okay. So then we can follow up this thing to Dan and David, and then we can see what they can say.
Okay, no problem. Cool.
Okay. Sure.
What time is it for you? Is that evening?
Yeah, no, it's night here. Little bit
It's
midnight.
time?
My time.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
It's late.
My time is 9:51 p.m.
9:50. Oh. That's good. Okay. Good. Perfect.
Yeah.
No problem. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Bye.
Yeah. Have a great day. Bye.
You too.